Replanting Cephalotus. It has been quite some time since I replanted in sphagnum. I'm also concerned about the condition of the Cephalotus roots. I will repot them. First, I take it out from the flower pot. Remove the old sphagnum. Once the sphagnum is cleanly removed, I will divide the Cephalotus into different plants. Will it work? This Cephalotus will also be replanted. Remove old sphagnum from the small Cephalotus. The old sphagnum has been removed. Fill the flower pot with Carnivorous soil. Fill the pot a little more than half full. Hold the Cephalotus with one hand. It was planted to be centered. Fixed because it fell at an angle. Watering. If the water coming out from under the flower pot becomes clear, it's done. Replanting is done. I will make a video of the growth of this Cephalotus in the future. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.